All right, so in our process when we're doing crating, we always ask the customer, where's it going to go? What are you doing with it? Is it going to stay in States or is it going to go out of country? Canada, Mexico, any other country? First off, when it is going out of country, it needs to be all heat treated material and KD. That's this HT stamp right here. It'll say who the representative of the bureau. So we're part of the PLIB, the Pacific Lumber Inspection Bureau. So we result and we give our information back to them. We did a stamping process across here so then they can see that it is truly HT. Now, if the customer does know that it's going to go out of country, we also do this stamp right here, which this stamp is assigned to us. It's an IPPC stamp, which that's saying that we are saying that all materials on this box are heat treated and they're ready to go out of country for bugs and any type of things that would be contaminants. If the crate now was all done out of plywood, in the United States, plywood is exempt. So if it was all out of plywood, we wouldn't need this stamp because it would already be exempt for that process. Since there's 1x4, 2x4s, and other materials that are lumber, not plywood, that is why we do this stamping process.